Hello, I'm in a Dodge Neon 2000, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then while the vehicle's off and cooled down, we'll work with this reservoir here. This is for your engine coolant, and on the side there's a full mark and a low mark. You do want some air gaps so don't fill it all the way to the top. And as I said, make sure the vehicle's off and cool down before you work with the system, just because this liquid can get to a boil and it can work under pressure, so you don't want to risk having a bunch of poisonous liquid spew onto your hands. But that said, when you're ready to add, double check your owner's manual or get online source that you've got the best coolant for your particular make and model. And typically you also want to match to the same color and type of coolant that's already in here if you can, just because it's better not to mix and match if you can help it. But to add, you'll just pop this open, just pulls right open, and either with a funnel or straight from your diluted coolant jug, just fill as needed until you're around that full mark. And then make sure this is closed tight again so nothing falls in. And then at that point, depending on how low you were, if it was really low, you might need to check this radiator as well. But otherwise, I would typically start the vehicle now and let that new coolant run through all your engine systems for a few minutes. And while it's doing that, I would check around the engine bay, around the reservoir, all the lines, around the radiator and under the vehicle to see if you have any liquid forming. That might indicate there might be a crack or leak somewhere. And if you do have liquid somewhere forming, way to tell that apart from, say, water condensation is it should, if it's coolant, have a slight coloration to it. It'll have a slight sweetness smell. And you don't really want it on your skin, but so you have a glove on and you feel it, it'll feel slightly slick compared to what water would feel like. But all that said, I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.